How to scan apps on Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First I will launch Play Store application on your device. Make sure that you log into your account. Head towards profile at top right. Then simply navigate to Manage Apps and then you will land on this Manage Apps and Device section where you have to simply look for a tab that allows you to check for updates or perform scans. If you don't get that option on this Manage Apps and Device section, you can simply come back to the same menu of your profile and then choose Play Protect option and then you will land on this page where you will see tap on Scan button and then the scanning is in progress. If there is any suspicious devices found, then it will easily scan on your Play Store. So Play Protect scan movements has already been completed and there is no harmful application found. So tapping on a scan or scanning the applications on Play Store is very helpful to initiate a security check of your installed application. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.